So that is it. It is all finished, and it's a super easy project that you could do with your kids. It's a lot of fun and doesn't require a lot of skill or expertise. And just to recap on how I made this, I cut a piece of walnut that is 5.5 inches square. I then beveled the edge on the table saw. I found my center in both ways. And then I measured off those center lines 5/8 of an inch and made more lines. And I went to the drill press and I drilled out those holes. And the pegs that I'm using are maple, and I made these on my router table. And if you want to know how to do that, I have a video on how to make dowels on a router table. It's pretty simple. And the holes that I drilled are 1/4 inch, and the dowel that I made is slightly undersized, so it's nice and loose. You don't want them stiff because you don't want to have to fight with this. Now, if you wanted to make this for yourself, you don't have to make it as fancy as I did. You could easily make this out of some 3/4 inch plywood and poplar doweling that you get at your local hardware store. So the way that you play this game is you have to skip one, take one out. And you can't go diagonally. You can only go up and down or side to side. And the whole point of this game is to try to get rid of as many pegs as you can. So you have to think about it and strategically remove a peg. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.